Okay, let's start complex numbers. So tell me, how much do you know? What is the previous knowledge for both of you? Iota, about iota, you already know because you have learned that already, correct? So what is there? I'll ask the problems. I'm going to upload JEE problem only directly based on iota. But before that, if you want to just revise something, complex numbers. Okay, iota. So iota is what actually? Why did we get to use iota? Because we were not able to solve some equations, correct? Like if I get something like this x square plus 1 equals to 0. So there is no real 0 for this, correct? There is no real root actually for this equation. This quadratic equation, there is no real root. So what we do, we bring 1 to the other side, it will become minus 1, and that's all. We were stopping here. Means I am talking about till 11th grade, 10th grade, we were not knowing this, how to handle this situation. So in 11th grade, what we will learn, we'll do this square root both side, and we need to write plus or minus here, and this will be called as plus or minus. This root minus 1 is what? Iota. So you know this I square will be what? Minus 1 I cube minus I, and I to the power 4 is equals to what? 1, correct? So like this. Okay, if you sum up these all things, I plus I square plus I cube, I to the power 4, what do we get? What do we get? Anish, Anish, Clive, Clive. Okay, 0, fine. Ganta. Okay, I plus I square, so we get 0. So what we can say here, sum of, what we can generalize, sum of 4 consecutive powers of iota is equals to what? 0, correct? Okay, let me put a question on the board. Okay, let me upload a question which is based on, same iota powers only, and you both need to do that. Okay, this question. Okay, this question, can you read it? The value of the sum sigma n equals to 1 to 13 I power n plus I power n plus 1, where I is obviously imaginary number iota, then it is equals to what? Do it. It's easy question, mains question actually. what is the answer? You should not take that much time for this. We need to use just this concept only, that sum of the 4 consecutive powers is iota. Sum of the 4 consecutive powers is iota. Sorry, 0. Sum of the 4 consecutive powers of iota is 0. Okay, I minus 1. Did you get the same? Live? Sorry, Anish? Okay, good. Let me upload next question then. Okay, this is the question. Again, JEE Mains 2019 question. By the way, how did you do it? This question. Just quickly, if I can show it. Okay, I'll just show it. I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 and so on. It will go till I power 13. Yeah, then the other part I power, the second term which will start I power 2, I power 3, I power 4 and so on till I power 14. So here, yeah, if you make the combination till I power 12, till I power 12 it will make the combination, only I power 13 will be left out. Now same way here, 4 consecutive powers if you make, here again 1 will be left out, this I power 14 will be left out. So I power 13 divide by 4, it will give you I only, and this will give you I power 2. So this is I and this is minus 1. Simple, correct? So B option. Understood? No? Okay, that was simple. Yeah. Let's do this question. This is again simple question only. Pretty simple. Do it. Take e raised I raised common. Okay, I raised to the n common. You mean to say that? You can do that also. Correct. Okay, fine. Yeah, actually, Clive is telling that you can take I raised to n common, and then 1 plus I will be left out in the bracket, and then raised to n is what separately you can deal with that. And then also that is also same. Okay, simple. You can do any method, but you need to do fast so that you can save time for other questions. That is how the paper is framed. Okay, JEE Mains paper, few questions will be easy, but if you are wasting time in doing those questions only, simple questions only, too much time you are giving to those questions, then it's not worthful. Okay, you need to save the time for other questions. So it's your practice only, up to your practice only, that how you do you save the time. Okay, let's do this second question which is there on the board. Yes, Anish, answer. You need to just what? It's simple question, no? Do it fast. Should I tell? What happened? How did you do? You open this whole cube, take minus out. That will be better. Okay, don't open the whole cube like this. I mean to say, first you take the LCM, minus 6 minus I upon 3. That cube is equals to x plus IY divided by 27. Okay, minus, because minus minus common we take, it will become minus outside 6 plus iota whole cube upon 27 is equals to x plus iy divided by 27 was there, so that will get cancelled from both the sides. So what we'll get? Minus 6 cube, 216. Okay, you keep on doing if you did the same way, but this is how you should do it. Okay, otherwise if you take minus minus, it will be confusing there. That's what I wanted to tell you there. Yes, no, not minus. I think you should get plus 91, Clive. Plus 91, just check. These are the mistakes which we need to remember, that's all. 3b square means 72 I, then plus okay, okay, fine. So 216 minus I plus 72I minus 81, sorry, 18, x plus iy. So I can get x is equals to what here? Okay, let me take one more step to simplify this. Minus 216 minus 18. How much it will be? 198. Yeah, minus sign is there outside, so I'm keeping minus sign. Now here 71 plus ka, so minus 71 iota is equals to x plus iy. So x is equals to minus 198 and y is equals to minus 71. Now we supposed to find out y minus x. So minus 71 minus times minus 198, and which is giving us what? 91. Is it? 107. What is the mistake? Wrong calculation. Wait. $72 I wrong. Okay. 3b square. Oh, sorry, 30. I did double, actually 3 times. It is what? 3 times of 36, which is how much? Then 108. Yeah, that is a mistake, sorry. So it will be what here? 108i. Okay. So it will be 107. 107. Okay, now it's correct. 91. That's what you need to be careful about, these all mistakes. Okay. And plus minus, they are giving close answers only, like plus minus, because that minus outside we can forget. And many of the students, they start opening this as this form only, minus 2 minus 1 by 3. That is the thing actually there, you need to be careful. If you start opening this, then whole cube only the problem. Okay, so minus you take out and then open the open the cube identity, using cube identity. Okay, fine, good. Understood now, Anish? Where are you, man? Anish. Okay, got it, no? Okay, fine. There was a mistake here. Okay, understood now? Agla sawal. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's do next question. Okay, I'm uploading next question. Okay, do you understand purely imaginary and all? Okay, let me explain you if you want. Okay, yeah, purely imaginary means if there is a complex number x plus iy, if real part, this is what real part of z and this is what imaginary part of z, correct? Iota is there, no, iota times, so imaginary part is y and real part is x. So if real part of z is equals to 0, then it is called as what? Purely imaginary. Okay, if x is 0, then it is what? Purely imaginary. And there is a property, this property also, z plus z bar is equals to 0. If z plus z bar is equals to 0, then what we can say? Then this is the property of complex number. Then what? Z is purely imaginary. Yeah. So this is what you need to do. No, imaginary तो होता ही है, सारे complex number imaginary हैं, but purely imaginary means there is no real part. Correct. Okay. Then it is purely imaginary. Okay. Do it now. Do this question. Again, JEE Mains 2019 question. And see here, trigonometry will also be used. So you need to basically use this property. I already gave you the hint. This property is what we are going to use and solve for theta. Anish, got the idea now? You're doing correct? Good, good. Continue. Yeah. Get the answer. I want correct answer this time, like from all of you in the first attempt, from both of you. And we need to avoid the mistakes like I did in the previous question. 3 plus 2i sin theta, 1 minus 2i sin theta. Let me also write it down. 3 plus sin theta. This plus only, no? Yeah. 2i sin theta and 1 minus 2i sin theta. I hope you know the properties, correct? I give you this something there, z1 upon z2 whole, what is there, mode, whole bar is there. So then it is what, z1 bar divided by z2 bar, correct? That property is what we need to use here. I am directly doing this step. Conjugate of numerator 3 minus 2i sin theta and conjugate of denominator 1 plus 2i sin theta. Now LCM. Okay, Clive got 2 pi by 3. Okay. Let me check 1 second. We no need to worry about denominator part. 1 minus 4 sine square theta. I'm just writing there, but it doesn't matter what is the denominator part. Anish, if you got the same answer, okay, then let me know. I didn't confirm the answer still. I need to check that. Try practicing doing this type of question like this so that you get it correct. Sir, z plus conjugate of z is always 0. Not always. They said no here, purely imaginary, then it is 0. Why always? Anish, any doubt? 3. Okay, good. 3, then I'm writing first. Okay, I think imaginary part will become 0 here. 2 I 2i sin theta, and then here 6i sin theta. So it will be 8i sin theta minus 4 sin square theta plus 3 and correct, minus 8i sin theta minus minus plus, but I square, so that's why minus 4 sin square theta is equal to 0. So imaginary part is getting cancelled faster. Yeah, 6 minus how much? 8 sin square theta is equals to 0. So sin square theta is equals to what? 6 upon 8. So sin theta is equals to plus or minus what? Root of 3 here and 4 here. So it is plus or minus root 3 by 2. This is what you got, Clive. Same thing. Now what are they telling? Okay, sum of the elements of A. So we'll get two values. They didn't give any interval or like that. Okay, yeah, they gave, sorry. They gave minus 90 to 5. Okay, let me just make simple graph for this. This graph they want. This 5 minus 5 by 2. Yeah, okay. So how many values we are getting there? It should be root 3 by 2. So one value will be here. Root 3 by 2 is 0.7, correct? Less than 1. So it will be what value here? Can you tell me? Minus 5 by 3. Yeah. Plus another value will be what here? Which is what? 5 by 3. And the other one which will be here, which is what? 2 pi by 3. These three values, this will get cancelled, so answer is this. Very good. Clive got it. Anish, understood? But if it is subjective question by chance, okay, if they can frame advanced question also like that, obviously they'll keep, they might ask, okay, so they might give this is multiple choice question. This is the answer, this is the answer, or all of them are the answers. And what is the sum? Sum is 2 pi by 3 or like that, okay, they can ask. So we should we can't ignore these two zeros also. Okay, fine, good. Next question. Anish, are we done? Are we done with this question or any doubt is there? Clive to got answer before only, okay. Fine, question number 5. 4 questions we did, no? Okay. So JEE mains level will be easy. You can easily do that. Okay. This is inequality question. Before this, one second. Before this, let me give you based on this different question. We'll do that also, but let's take this question first. Okay, do this. JEE mains 2019 question. These are latest questions only. Let z be a complex number such that mod z plus z is equal to 3 plus iota, and Z is equals to x upon 3, x upon y, sorry. Then x plus y is equals to what? Do it. Yes, how do you start, Anish? I want to know from you. Okay, now one time live. Okay, now you need to answer. How we will start? Any idea? अनीश बोलो कुछ आइडिया बताओ कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे how will you start this question I think you might have done this kind of questions okay tell me how we will start they have given equation correct this equation mod of z plus z is equals to 3 plus iota okay Anish is typing substituting what oh okay you mean to say mod z you tried substituting here no if you're doing that okay no that is not good idea Clive how did you start you are already doing I believe correct you wrote your name Clive today okay Anish kept it simple yes that's what okay take z as that's what you should do it let z is equals to a plus iy or x plus y also you can take okay no x plus y is there x y is there okay so take a and b only sorry a and b a plus iota times b okay and then put z here so a plus ib okay Clive continue doing a plus ib is equals to 3 plus I. Okay, Anish, understood, no? Okay, now yeah, like this you need to do. This is what we, now mod of this will be what, Clive? Oh, sorry, Anish, a square plus b square root over. Yes. Okay, Anish, do like this if you know. Just we need to compare now, that's all. We got the real parts. Real part is this, imaginary part is this other one. We'll compare this to this here. So b is what? 1. We got b value. Now a square plus b square root over plus a is equals to 3. So a square plus 1 plus a is equals to 3. I'm going to solve this. A square plus 1 root over is equals to 3 minus a. स्क्वायर कर देंगे दोनों साइड का, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू ओके, यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, तो कितना आएगा a स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 9 प्लस a स्क्वायर माइनस 6a. a स्क्वायर तो कैंसिल हो गया, तो 6a इज इक्वल्स टू 8. a is equals to 8 upon 6 means 4 by 3. So a is equals to 4 upon 3. Okay. So yeah, did you get same thing? Clive. Why now God? Okay, you made some mistake before or what? Same thing, no? A is equals to 4 by 3 and b is equals to 1. Okay. Okay, fine. Now what they have given, mod of z is equals to x upon y. Okay. Now mod of z is what? A square plus b square is equals to x upon y. So a square is what? 4 by 3 का square plus 1 is equals to 1 का square also you can write it. Okay, this. So it is giving us 16 plus 9 upon 9. I took the LCM also. X upon y. So x is 25 and y is 9. Means x plus y is what? How much? 34. Clive is offline. Anish, did you get it? Anish. Yes. Okay. Let me confirm the answer. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. I'll check the answer. Answer is 8. Anish. Answer is 8. Why? Because I didn't put the root here. Here. Understood, no? Yeah, answer will come 8. See, these silly mistakes are what we need to avoid. Guys, remember, that's why, that is the main reason I used to get less marks, But you need to remember that we need to avoid these mistakes. 8 is the answer. This is the answer. I used to do these silly mistakes. Okay, so Anish, where is Clive now? Anish, you need to remember these kind of mistakes and we need to avoid. We need to, by practicing many questions, we need to make ourselves perfect. Okay, so that we'll not do these mistakes. Okay, actually, what was my habit? Okay, if I know some, like if I know the question, if I understand the question, I try to jump on that. Okay, I used to do like, okay, let me finish this question fast and I'll go to next question. So that kind of habit is what, okay, we need to get rid of. Okay, fine. Yeah, but I don't know, I'm relaxed now, but then also I'm doing this mistake. Okay, no problem, old habit. Okay, we need to, but it's not exam time, so it's fine for me, but you need to be careful. Okay, learn from others mistake also. Can you call Clive? Where is he? Okay, by the way, Anish, let him come. Okay, he will join, I think. Do you know these all properties? I'm going to upload few properties. Sir, call him. Okay, he's online. He's online now. He came. Yeah. Okay. Net issue. Yes, yes. You were offline. Now you understood. No, this after this, Clive. Any doubt is there in this? I think you understood already. Correct. You might have done till there a part and all. Then after that they said. Mod z is equals to x upon y, so we put it like that, and that's all. We are getting the answer as 8. Okay, see here, now here they have given this, they have given that mod z is equals to x upon y. Anish is saying comment. Okay. Actually, see, now Anish is offline. Clive, I'm not just comparing this ratio like that. Okay, see, ratio, so it can be like 10 and 6 also. Are you understanding? I can't, by this, by from this I can't fix the x value as 5 and y value as 10, y value as 3. Means 10 by 6 also it can be there. Ratio will be 5 by 3 only. So I can say x is 10 and y is 3. So answer should be what? 13 now. Correct? Yeah. So, but you know what is the thing there? Actually, this z is a complex number such that it is satisfying this. So if you take, see what is happening actually, if we would have taken z as x plus iy, okay, x plus iy, so they meant to say that root of z is nothing but x upon y. So it is exactly that only, x upon y. So when we do that, okay, we are getting what? Those values. So we need to fix this only. Okay, this option will be there. Actually, this is, see, one of the option will they will give, they didn't keep the options here, but options, one of them option will be there. So any two sum which is giving, that is fine. Okay, yeah, you don't need to worry about that part. But understood, no, this, the calculation is like this. Okay, what I was talking to Anish, that do you know these all properties, modulus properties, uh, mod properties, then conjugate properties, these all you know or not? Okay, or do you want me to revise them?